Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm in the new experience of McGraw-Hill Connect. Let's click it off so that you can see the old classic view. That's what you and I are used to looking at. Let's go to the new experience. My experience with new experiences is that eventually this is the platform that the developers want to implement. It does show the point value in the description for the assignment, but what I want to do is I think there's a way to set. Let's click preview next. I'm sorry, let's go back for just a second. Let's click the assignment. Let's click preview. Let's click edit questions. Okay, and right here is where one can change the point values of individual questions, but I was also looking here, it says set all point values. Let's see what, all right, set for each question to be worth 1 point. Okay, so there's another way to make this work. I did another video showing how to manually do this, but it can be done as a group. That's kind of nice, especially if you had 30 or 40 questions. That would be quite tedious.